love roasted vegetables, and I usually make a big pot at the beginning of the week. Roasting vegetables, it's the easiest and one of the healthiest and most delicious cooking ever. You know, you can use any vegetables. I'm going to give you a lot of suggestions today. I love root vegetables like parsnips, sweet potatoes, carrots, and broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, and zucchini, and onions, and bell peppers, and cabbage. Hey, these are on top of my list, but I roast a lot of other vegetables too. All of these vegetables that I've suggested, and most vegetables, they cleanse your liver's right here, and they balance your hormones. You know, you can rejuvenate that wilted old sad looking vegetable in minutes.